In this video we'll see how to use projects. We'll start by creating a project, which is a no-brainer. Simply select Project, Create from the menu, enter a project name, click Create Project, and you're done. That may actually be all that most people ever need to know about projects. Once you've created a project, you can import sales data, prepare sales forecasts, and do everything that you want to do with the software. Given that, you may be wondering what projects are for and why anyone would ever want to create more than one. Essentially, projects allow you to group and isolate sales data. The most obvious example of why you might want to do this is if you were involved in the forecasting process at two separate companies, in which case you could create separate projects for each company without having to create separate logins for yourself. Another example might be a company that had multiple distribution centers. For example, if your company had a warehouse in the Northern Hemisphere and another in the Southern Hemisphere, you'd probably create a separate project for each, since the sales from each warehouse will likely exhibit quite distinct seasonal patterns. You can create as many projects as you like, so it's up to you how you use these. Just be aware that each project is licensed separately, so you'll need to purchase separate subscriptions for each project that you maintain, which you can do from the project settings on the subscription tab. Also, from a statistical point of view, as a rule of thumb, the more data you have, the better our statistical forecasts will be. So try to aggregate as much data as possible when this is related, so when it's for the same company and it's likely to share sales patterns and trends. That's it for projects. Next up, importing your data.